Hazak u'Baruch. Hashem Minchad today is going to be at 4:15 downstairs in the Bet HaKnesset. The Ovadia once was asked the question, what happens if there's only a minyan, exactly 10 people, and it's shacharit or it's mincha where there is a repetition? Should we do the repetition or should the repetition be skipped? And the question is, because if there's 10 people, the rule is you need to have 9 people answering Amen and concentrating to the brachot, to understand the basic idea of the brachot of the Shemona Esrei. Some people think it's just the Amen. It's not true. Shulchan Aruch writes they need to be mechaven to the brachot and answer Amen. So you have to have 9 people answering Amen and being mechaven. And when you have a minyan of 10, that means it's all on the line. It's all up there that one person's not paying attention. So that could already be posed, and now that's a problem. As the Shulchan Aruch writes, Karov liot birchotav levatara. It's close to being a bracha levatara for the Chazan who's saying the brachot, which would mean that everybody answering also is in a problem. So the question is, should you skip Chazara in such a case? If you skip the Chazara, then you don't have that issue of concentration because he's doing the Shemona Esrei for himself. Ovadia said like this. He said a very interesting answer. It depends. If the people in the minyan are 10, but they're pretty God-fearing, they're Yirei Shamayim, there's a good chance, there's a 50-50, let's call it, chance that they're paying attention and they're mechaven on a basic level, you should do the Hazara. But if you know you're dealing with 1, 2, or people that are not really going to, and no way they're going to be paying attention, so he says then indeed you should skip the Hazara. It's better to skip the Hazara than to have a Hazara being done where there aren't 9 people listening to the Hazan's brachot and answering Amen to the brachot. And therefore this teaches us of the importance. A lot of times people forget about the value of listening, paying attention. People are doing sometimes other things and involved in other things during Hazara. Should focus, should be answering Amen, and the Amen should be just as loud as the Hazan. A person who's Oneh Amen shouldn't say Amen to himself. The Hazan, the same voice, Kolo shel mevarech, the Gemara says, in the same tone, in the same voice, in the same decibel level as the person who's saying the bracha himself. Baruch Adonai le'olam. Amen. Amen.